The Society for the Protection of Our Constitution, which is behind government entities about turn, on its perceived stance on how to approach the complex issue of illicit mining, which reared its head in Stilfontein, says that it is not new to the fight to preserve human rights and is no different to other prominent NGOs that have done the same in South Africa.
I think there are other various organizations, like you mentioned, the Helen Suzan Foundation, which I don't think is much different, or Freedom Under Law. I'm not sure if they've been scrutinized to this extent. So if you know, it's not as if the society is unknown. I'll give you an example. There's the Highveld Reach case, which students of law, of constitutional law, it's in the textbooks of constitutional law to explain to them about how to get basic rights, basic amenities like water. The society was involved in that case. I forget the name or exact name of the municipality, but it's the Highveld Reach case. So this gives you, some idea. Tubalo Boon was also our case. So it's a variety of human rights cases that we are involved in.
The Society recently obtained an interim order from the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria, which ordered the unblocking of the mine shaft, that any miners trapped in the mine shaft shall be permitted to exit, and no non-emergency personnel may enter the mine shaft. The Society's bid was triggered by a statement made by the Minister in the Presidency, Khumbudzo Chaveni, which reportedly stated, among other things, that the miners would be smoked out and persecuted, and that no help would be sent to quote-unquote criminals. The Society argued that this perceived government stance is in direct conflict with the fundamental rights enshrined in the Constitution, specifically the right to life.
Well, in the context of the case, anyone listed in the section has a right to approach a competent court alleging that a right in the Bill of Rights has been infringed or threatened, and the court may grant appropriate relief, including a declaration of rights. So this is how we fit into the picture.
Amid ongoing efforts to retrieve the suspected Zama-Zamas, the Society was not able to paint a picture of the current state of persons underground the mine shaft when probed on the subject.
It's not within our expertise and our realm to gather reports. The media would do it much more professionally than us. There's a common law rule called the sub judice rule, and we should avoid getting ourselves entangled and violating the sub judice rule. So I don't want to venture too much into that while the matter is still sub judice.
Court documents reveal that the Society is a voluntary organization that, amongst other things, promotes the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Beyond these papers, little is known about the organization. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.